This is a 4-bedroom home or en-suite located in Ruiru East in Kenya. This house is 245 square meters, sitting on a 50 by 100 meters plot with a cost of 35,000 Kenya shillings per square meters. Please sit back and join us as we tour this best contemporary home with an amazing modern house design. Welcome back and welcome to Emerge Kenya TV. We are so grateful you would join us. Please consider subscribing to this channel if it's your first time here. For all our returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much, and you know the drill: to share, to like, and to leave a comment. Keep watching. This house comes with a covered porch, and now let's go in and tour the rest of this house. As you enter, you're welcomed by this spacious living or family room to your right, and on the left is the dining room. This house tour is at the courtesy of the 47 Investment Company, a construction company that offers solutions in all your construction projects in Kenya at a great and affordable price. The 47 Investment Company won't take any shortcuts, nor would they gamble with your projects. Please contact them today for your next construction project. This amazing house comes with a gypsum ceiling or drywall ceiling if you like it, with great light fixtures and spotlights. Next, let's now head to the kitchen. A modern kitchen with plenty kitchen counters, cabinets, and a double sink. This kitchen has a window opening to the dining room, offering a great view and access. The kitchen neighbors a walk-in pantry with plenty of storage spaces. The kitchen also opens up to the backyard through this door. Let's now go back inside and tour the rest of this house. Hopefully you are still tuned in and enjoying this house tour. Guys, this house is designed and built by the 47 Investment Company. They'll work with you to achieve the end product you desire. Their website and their contacts are in the description of this video. This is the guest bathroom with a great use of space as it is under the staircase. Next is the guest bedroom, which is fully ensuite with spacious wardrobes, amazing lighting, and a great contemporary design. Great workmanship and beautiful tiles in the bathroom. Let us now go upstairs and continue to tour this beautiful house. A spacious, well-designed and well-lighted staircase. The staircase opens up to another family room or a multi-purpose room. We are now entering the master bedroom. This is fully ensuite with a balcony and a walk-in closet. The balcony gives you an amazing view of the front yard and of the neighborhood. Moving on, we are now in the third bedroom of this beautiful house. It's fully en suite and very spacious. On to the fourth bedroom. It's also fully en suite and spacious with a lot of storage spaces in the wardrobes. One more level up, let's head upstairs to the rooftop. The rooftop offers a lot of possibilities for your family, from air drying your laundry to a hangout spot for family and friends. It also offers a great view of the neighborhood. Thank you so much for giving us company in this house tour. We appreciate you. Remember to check out the 47 investment company and make them your preferred developer. This is it for now. We hope you enjoyed this house tour. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, to share, to drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. We will catch you later on the next one. Have a good one. Be blessed and bye-bye.